Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Roxy. If this is your first time here, I make videos about planning, books, and lifestyle. I also occasionally, a lot of the times lately, make videos about tech pieces, which is why we're here today. If any of that interests you, please go ahead and leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll also list some videos below in case you're interested in checking any of those out. And today I'm here with a video I'm so excited about. I was pressed, you guys, to get these AirTags. So I ordered 2. And I am that person who loses their keys all the time. I will spend like an hour looking for my keys because I don't know where I put them when I came into the house the night before. And usually 90% of the time when I'm late, it's because I couldn't find my keys. So I definitely have been thinking about getting a finding system for my keys. And I was pretty happy when Apple released these AirTags. So today we're here to do an unboxing and a little initial first impressions on these AirTags. So I picked up 2 AirTags because Apple's not gonna get me. You know how like Apple releases something, then a couple months later they release like the AirTag 2s or the AirTag Pros. Look, if the AirTag Pros come out, I want those too, okay? So I just got 2 two single pack of the AirTags. They also come in a 4-pack, so you get 4 in a pack and you save a few dollars on that instead of getting them each individual. So I plan to use these for my keys. I separate my keys. So I have my keys that go to buildings, mailboxes, and things like that on a separate keychain, ideally. And then I have my car key and my AirPods. And I lose my AirPods so much. Even though they're on the Find My system, we need to rethink this. I can never find them. I'm just like I can only find them when I have them. So it'll beep if it's in my ear and I'm looking for the other one. The one in my ear will beep and not the other one. And if your AirPods die, you're just out of luck. You'll see them when you see them. Okay, so I definitely wanted to get an AirTag for that. So let's go ahead and get into the video and start unboxing these. So I ordered these from Walmart because when I went to look on the Apple website, I wanted to order them from there so that I could get them customized with the little emojis and my initials and all of that. But there's an arrow that says open here, you guys. I'm over here trying to do the most. But I wouldn't have gotten them until I think the end of June. It said there was a 5-week wait and I have no patience. And I also wondered if these could be like reset and sold, like if I don't want them anymore, or you know, I decided to go with something else. Like if they come out with pink AirTags, I might want the pink ones. But so I'm here for the AirTag colors. I'm just giving Apple all of it, okay? Like if you're coming out with this, come out with this. So on the inside we have instructions. So it looks like this on the inside, if it'll focus. And it has instructions, information about the iOS update, instructions on how to set it up, and then here's the AirTag right in the middle. And they are so cute and small. I'll have to add some size comparisons so you can see like how big it is compared to other things. I don't know what I'm doing. Where's the instruction on how to get it out the box? But now I wonder like if I decided to sell them later on. Oh, you just I make these things so difficult. They are cute. Look at this little thing. It wants to focus on me. But that's the AirTag. That's the AirTag right there. Look how little. Again, I'm gonna throw in some size comparisons in this video so you can see like what it looks like next to the ruler or my quarter or something like that. But they are very little. It has plastic on it. Ooh. Plastic on it so you can just tear it off. And it's so cute. I'm so excited about the hear that? excited about things that'll come out from like third-party vendors for this. I actually have an AirTag holder from a third-party vendor that I'm gonna open up, which is one of the reasons it's so late for me doing this video, because I was waiting for my little AirTag keychains to come in. And yeah, because I don't really like the colors of the Apple ones, and I'm like, the AirTag is $29, but the little leather case is like $35. They didn't have them in stock anyway at any of the stores in my local area. So, and I definitely don't have an Apple store in my local area, so it wasn't an option. But it's so cute. I also saw when I was looking on Amazon, there were some where you could like stick it to a surface. So for instance, if I wanted to put one in my planner, I can't really do that with my disc-bound planner, but I can do it with my ring planner. But if I had something to stick it to a surface, then that would work a little bit better for my planner. So since my channel is mainly a planning channel, I do want to show you, like, if I take my little Mo-term agenda and it has the pocket here, I could just take the AirTag, stick it in here, and it's just in there. You can feel it, but it's a flat surface. So I always see people post about how they lose their planners when they're moving or on vacation, and girl, my planner has my life. Like, what would I do? Or even if you're at work and you're just moving around a lot, it will work on the Find My system because your AirTag is in here. So if you lose your planner, you'll be able to find it easily, or, you know, wherever you left it. So I want to show you how it fits both on my keys, my car key, and my AirPods, and if it fits in my key clay where I am planning to store my house keys, my work keys, and my mailbox keys. So I'm going to insert some footage of me trying it out on both of these different things. So of course it fits perfectly on my car keys and AirPods, but it also fits in here. So I plan to get another little key thing so that I can store one here and one here in my key pouch. So that's the goal. I am going to be doing an Apple product Amazon haul eventually, just because I want my little accessories to fit more of my aesthetic that I currently have, to fit my summer vibes. So I have that video coming out soon. Again, if you are interested in any of these videos I'm mentioning, please join the fam, you guys. Okay, so now let's get the AirTags set up on my iPhone. Okay, so it says to update to the latest iOS or iPad OS and to turn on your Bluetooth. So my Bluetooth is on. Next, we need to hold near device and follow the instructions. All right. Hold near a device. What's happening? Notification here. Some features require, oh, I didn't update. I was just kidding, you guys. So let's update. Oh, that's cool. So the newest version of iOS says that it gives you the option to unlock your watch. Wait, to unlock your iPhone with your Apple Watch while you're wearing a mask. And it introduces separate skin tone variations for emoji couples. Okay. Okay, I'm back. So my phone, I had to plug it in, and my battery for my camera died, and lots of things happened, you guys. So we're back. Got the phone. This is my screen. Hold on. And it brought up the connect to AirTag option, so we're ready to go. And my phone has fingerprints all over it. So it brings up the screen where you can name your AirTag. So I'm trying to figure out where I'm gonna put this. So the names that come up, it says like bike, keys, luggage, wallet, or you can give it a custom name. And I'm just gonna name this one, I don't know, mobile, I guess, because these are my mobile keys, so my car, my AirTags, I don't know. So let's do, because they're both gonna be keys. I'm gonna click custom name. I want to show you guys and custom name, so I'm going to put car, and I don't know if you can put all this, AirPods. I'm gonna spell it correctly though. And continue. I can choose an emoji face. Of course I want to do that. I don't have the emojis. Like I said, I didn't order them with emojis because I don't know what to use. Let's do, girl, I don't know. We'll do pink because eventually I'm gonna order a pink case for this, and then I'm gonna put the green one in my other one. So I'll do the other one in green. So, and then it asked me to register to my Apple ID, continue. So the cool thing is setting it up, car and AirPods. Did I spell that right? Yeah. It shows it like this. So there I can see the little pink heart. And again, this will eventually be on a pink little key holder. So it'll make sense. It doesn't make a lot of sense now because it's green, but I'm using it to represent the pink. But anyway, it shows where it is. Okay, so the cool thing about the AirTags is it works in the Find My system, so you can find your stuff using the same Find My system that you use to find your phone or any other Apple product that you have that has the Find My support. And it works like, let's say I leave my keys, I don't know, at a counter or a desk somewhere where I've gone for like a certain service. If I leave them at the grocery store, at the hotel, or wherever I am, it works in the Find My network. So if someone else who is using the Find My system finds your keys or finds whatever you've connected your AirTags to and you've marked it as lost, then they will be able to pick it up and they can see like your information. So I'm not sure exactly what pops up, but they'll be able to inform you that they found your keys or found your backpack or your purse or your planner, whatever you have this connected to, and it can alert you that, you know, someone's found it. And yeah, so I'm really excited to use these. Let's see what it sounds like. I think I can play a sound. Oh, little jiggy little beat. Okay. So there, it says that it's with me though, so it knows. But and then if I look for it, it says where it is, so it'll say here once you found it. So if I have it in another room, it'll direct me to finding it, but since it's here with me, it says it's here. So, and I don't know if this ever happens to you, but like I'll get in the car and I'm like, oh, do I have my work keys? Oh, do I have my P.O. box key? And I'm like, I hope it's in the car. And instead of coming all the way back home and then trying to look through my car, look through my house to find it, I'll know like it's with me. So I'm cool. I just have to find it in the bottom of my bag or whatever. So, okay, so I added my second AirTag in here and I made this one keys. I selected one of the pre-selected names and it gave me an emoji already, but if you want to change that emoji, you just go down to the bottom and keep scrolling and it will have rename item, and it gives you the option to rename the item, or you can hit the emoji, and I'm going to make that one green, a green heart. And now it shows a little green heart up here. So, and that just symbolizes what color I'm gonna put these on. And so now I have both of my items up here. Let me know down below if you have the AirTags, if you're loving them, or if you plan to get them. And I think that's about it. So I'm really excited to use these. I'll probably film a review after I've used them for a while because I am pretty sure I will be looking for my keys quite a bit because I'm always looking for my keys. So I'll post like a 6-month review or something after I've used them for a while. I'm also going to be posting an Apple accessory haul because I just want this to look cuter. And I have a video coming up on my computer I have a video coming up on my computer because I get asked lots of questions about my computer. I have an MSI GS66 in case you're interested, and we're going to talk about what programs I use on this. So that's it for my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.